face sheet mask contain hyaluronic acid. Let's take that again. Hi guys, it's Dr. Omam Alfred. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time, welcome to Dr. Omam Alfred. Here I do beauty, skincare, health talks, but today I'm going to be showing you how to use a face sheet mask. A sheet that is used for hydration of the skin. It's not usually done every day. It's just to help calm any irritations that they may be from using these skincare products, because some of them may be drying at times. Some face sheet masks contain hyaluronic acid. Let's take that again. Some face sheet masks contain hyaluronic acid, which is also good for hydration and makes the skin supple. Today I'm going to be using this Garnier skincare face sheet mask. I got this from Canada actually. My brother got it for me. So it's Garnier Skin Active Moisture Bomb Sheet Mask. Super hydrating, replumping. Contains hyaluronic acid and pomegranate. So this flavor is the pomegranate. And usually you use a face sheet mask, you leave it on from between 15 to 20 minutes and just allow it to your face to soak up all the hydration. Basically your hand has to be clean when you want to use it. First you have to wash your face. After that you use your toner. When you use your toner, you leave it on for like a few minutes, then you apply your face sheet mask. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. Let's go. Where all these little acne are coming from. My face was clearing up and then now it's starting to act up again. Some days it's smooth, some days start seeing some, but then diet is another thing. So now I'm going to go and wash this off and then I'm going to apply my toner. So I'm back guys from rinsing off my face, and now I'm going to apply my toner. Of course my Matcha hydrating toner, which has green tea, and you know green tea is very good for anti-inflammation and also works against acne. So after applying my toner, I'm going to wait like 5 minutes and then I'm going to apply my face sheet mask. So this is how it looks again. That's where you can open it from, so you can just slide it off like that, and then the content. So I just took it. You need to be very gentle with it because it's quite slimy. You have to be very careful. Okay, so now I've been able to open the mask. Now what I'm going to do is I first of all start with my forehead. So I stretch it from my forehead first. You're supposed to make sure you cover every part of your face. And then I go with this side. And then I'll go to the bottom. I'll stay with it for like 20 minutes and then move on to the next step. So the time is up. I'm just going to go ahead and take off the sheet mask. Look at that. Look at that. So hydrating. Some people go ahead to just take off the rest of the moisture and apply to the rest of their body. Right now I just want to focus on my face. So I'm just going to make sure that gets into my pores. And then the next step is to go ahead and apply your moisturizer so that it can seep into the moisture that has been extracted from the sheet mask. My Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel. Reason why I didn't apply my azelaic acid today, I just prefer to apply a moisturizer immediately after a sheet mask.
Feels so soft, feels so supple. Loving it.
I do this sheet mask like once a week. I usually do it, let's say, the same day that I'm exfoliating, so that it will calm the effects of the exfoliation. Okay, now I'm going ahead to use my Vaseline to moisturize my lips. It's more advisable to use it at night, so that after that, just go to bed. Always, guys, remember to drink water. That's one important step of skincare.
Water is life.
That's literally it, guys. All right, thank you guys for watching how to use a face sheet mask. See you in my next video. Bye.